We are going to create 3 different buttons. There's this one and this one and this one. So we are going to start with this one. So that one is the simple one. We're going to use text. Select text here. Click there on the canvas of the workspace. You type, let's say, use subscribe. Okay, we select those texts. We press Shift A to create a frame. So we are going to add a stroke. We are going to choose Let Play with the colors. We are going to use, say, this one, the purplish. Okay, then because we want to have 12 radius corners, we're going here to type, because the height is 35, we're going to divide it into 2. So that will be 17.5. When you press enter, that's our first one. Okay, so we're going to create the next one. The next one is this one. So we are going to use our previous one, this one. We duplicate it. We duplicate it twice. Okay. Let me move first this one a bit further. This one, okay, I fill it with maybe color. Let's do it. We go to the fill. We use this one. Going to use this one. Okay, and remove the stroke, and then we're going to fill this one with something black. First we remove the stroke and fill it. We fill it with black. Okay, that one. And then because of the previous text, you can either hide it here, or you can delete it, and then you take the first one. We bring it to 4, and then we align it the way we want it to appear. That, let me move a little bit there. I select them again, and then if I want to group them, I could just press Ctrl G, and that is the second one. Okay, so we are going to create this one. So we are going to duplicate the previous one again. We duplicate it here. So we are going to remove the stroke from it. We remove the stroke. We fill it with the same color. Put 5. We put 5. Enter. That's better. So that is how we create our different 3 buttons. This one, the simple one, the second one, and the third one.